days of Christmas. In 2006, I don't have any budget to buy gifts from my sisters. So I decided to create bags from my scrap fabrics. My first sister, the sister after me, I have created a design that looks like a dice because at that time she was very fascinated with collecting items that looks like the dice. So I created a bag that to add on her collection. So this is the bag that I have created for her. This is a dice. This is the picture to show you the bag that I gave her. Then the next sister, she is very fascinated with the Simpsons, the show Simpsons, and I created this one, Bart Simpson's, her favorite toy or cartoon, and she has collected many Simpson items over the years, and this is what I gave her, Bart Simpson's. Then the next sister is very fond of eating donuts. She loves donuts, so I created something that resembles a donut. This is the sling bag for her, a donut. And my last sister, she is very fond of SpongeBob. She has collected so many SpongeBob items, and so I've given her a SpongeBob sling bag. I wish I could have borrowed the actual bags from them, but I wasn't able to do that. But at least I have saved what I made for myself. This one is my ladybug sling bag. Same materials that I have used. This is a velvet fabric, recycled zippers, and this is what I have given myself as well as a gift. So in case you don't have any budget to buy anything as a present, you can also make one for yourself. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.